Hey guys, it's Handcrafted by Jason Cooper. I'm in the garage today, as I am on most Saturdays, working on something. I'm building some base cabinets for my kitchenette in the basement, something that my wife has wanted. We're trying to put in here before Christmas. We'll see if that happens, but we're going to give it a shot. Never built full-fledged cabinets before, base cabinets. I've done some built-in bookshelves and some other similar things, and built doors for things. But this is just a little bit different. But I've already got my plywood cut up for the sides. I'll show you that here in a second, and ready to cut some dados. Like I said, I've got my plywood cut for my sides, ready to go here. This is some pre-finished plywood. I just found it at Menards, which is nice. It's pre-finished on both sides, so that I won't have to finish it once it's all put together. None of this is going to be seen except on the inside of the cabinet. So I'm not too worried about the species or anything like that. I just wanted a nice smooth finish, which this has. I'm doing 3 base cabinets, so I've got 2 sides for each here. Actually, 2 of them are over there, but 4 of them are sitting here. They're already cut to size, so 34.5 inches tall, so with an 1.5 inch countertop, that makes a 36-inch countertop height. They are, overall width is 24 inches front to back. Except in my case, I got to count for the face frame, and then I'm going to have overlay doors, so that's another 3/4 plus 3/4 inch, so 1.5 inches from 24 leaves 22.5 width. The toe kick, obviously these vary. A lot of people do a little bit different measurements, but this is a 3 inches in and 4 inches up. Again, the face frame will cover the bottom edge of this anyway. You might actually come down a little bit below it just to make sure nothing's visible. But I've got my sides ready to go, but I have to cut in some dados in order to make these into boxes. So I'm going to put a dado across the bottom where our bottom shelf will fit, give it a lot of rigidity, a lot better than simply relying on a lot of people. I see a lot of do-it-yourselfers will use pocket screws, which is fine, but if you don't have it in a dado or something like that, you don't have near the strength in the carcass like you would if you do a dado. But anyway, a dado across here, a dado across the top for the top supports that go across, and then a smaller dado in the back for the back to sit in, nice and flush with the back edge of the cabinet here. Just 1/4 inch plywood there. So here we go.